Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.
Good morning everyone, myself Gaurav Garad. In this project we are going to create a Python program to copy a file. This project was contributed by Shreyas Karai and Aniket Bhagat. So what is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by George Van Rossum and released in 1991. It was used for web development, software development, mathematics and system scripting. What can Python do? Python can be used to create server-based applications. It can also be used to create workflows alongside software. Python can be used in database system. It also reads and modifies files. Python can also be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematician problem. Why Python? Python works on different platforms such as Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, Windows, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language. Python can be treated in procedural way or object-oriented way or a functional way. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written. Python method to copy file. The shuttle.copy method in Python is used to copy files or directories from source to destination. The source must represent the file and destination may be a file or a directory. Python program to copy a file to a folder. In this example, we have imported two modules called shuttle and OS module, which helps in automating the process of copying and removing files from the directories. We have to write path for both sources and destination. The program code is given below. After importing all the modules, we are going to set path for both source and destination folder. And next step is to create a file called name.txt, which will be stored in the source folder. After executing the Python program, the file called name.txt is going to copy in the another folder called destination. And hence we have successfully executed our program. This project was guided by Ms. Pooja Narve ma'am.
Zeal Education Society, redefining excellence.